Well, hi everybody and welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad Cooking channel. Today I'm going to be making a really Christmassy drink. It's an eggnog. Now all the ingredients that you use can be adjusted to suit yourself. If you don't want alcohol in it, just leave it out. So here are the ingredients that we're going to need for this delicious festive drink that we're going to make, this lovely eggnog. We're going to need half a cup of double cream or heavy cream, 1.5 cups of whole milk, 1.5 sticks of cinnamon. Then we're going to need some vanilla essence, or you could use a vanilla pod if you can afford one, that is. We're going to need some freshly grated nutmeg. I mean, if you haven't got freshly grated, you can, I guess you can get away with using a powdered version. We're going to need 1/3 cup of brown sugar that we've got here. Now over here we have 3 eggs. I've split these, so there's the white, there's the yolk. Now, or should I say yolks. We're going to need a flavouring for the alcohol part of it. I'm going to use this Jim Beam bourbon that I've got here, but you could use anything that you wish really. It's to give it the main flavouring anyway. So okay, that's it, let's carry on. So we can make a start by putting a pan on the hob and we'll go in with the milk. There we go. And then the heavy cream or double cream. Then vanilla extract or essence, or a pod if you can afford one. In that goes, I've used 1 teaspoonful for this amount, 1.5 sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, sprinkle that over the top. Now you've got to bear in mind that I'm making enough eggnog here for 4 glasses, 4 drinks for 4 people. Now we need to stir this in, then we're going to leave that to steep. Meanwhile, we can mix up our egg yolks in a clean bowl, because then the next step is we're going to add our brown sugar. In that goes. All the measurements are at the beginning of the video, and as I've always said, you can adjust these to suit your own taste buds really, because we're all different, aren't we? Make sure all this is well mixed in. Now after our milk mixture has steeped or rested for about 15 minutes, we're going to strain it through this little sieve here. Get out all the little bits, we don't want those in there. Bits of cinnamon stick and stuff that hasn't mixed in really. And then we're going to whiz this up, not too fast, not too fast. We don't want to get a great big froth on the top, just a little bit's fine. Give that a nice mix in. Then we're going to add our flavouring. I'm using this honey flavoured Jim Beam bourbon here, really tasty, I love it. I've gone in with a half a cupful there. That would be enough for 1 shot per glass per person. You can use any alcoholic drink that you want, or even non-alcoholic if you would prefer. Now in a very clean bowl we go with our egg whites. We'll pop those in. It needs to be clean because we're going to whisk these up until they're really firm, so they have sort of quite stiff peaks if you like. There we go. That's how we want them, just like that. Lovely. They look like little clouds in the sky, don't they? And they stick to the bottom of the bowl. That's good. Ready to move on. So now we put our strained mixture into the clean bowl that's been washed and dried and made good again, and in it goes. Then we're going to fold in the egg whites. There we go. Pop all those in. They're looking good, aren't they? Now we want to fold these in really gently until it gets creamy like this. We don't mind that bit of froth on the top, that's all good stuff. Transfer it to a jug, ready to pour into our little cocktail glasses there. Get a little bit of that foam on the top. Looking tasty. There we go. Well, a little bit more in that one, nearly missed it. Then back to our nutmeg. We want a little bit of a sprinkling of nutmeg over the top. just sort of finishes it off really, makes it look really good, really professional. Well, it is professional, isn't it? Well, cheers everybody, and this is my first ever Christmas eggnog, courtesy of my daughter, who's talked me into doing this video, and let's give it a taste test. And well, yeah, that is really good. You obviously can use whichever short you want to put in it, whether it's rum or whiskey, or in this case it was a bourbon, and how beautiful it is. Please try this for yourself. Easy, tasty, Christmassy. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and yeah, I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye for now.